So just taking your seat as we sit down to practice together. Allowing yourself to turn your mind inside to the sensations of your breathing. And do your best to feel every part of your breath. How much can you notice? As you breathe in and out. And continuing to put your focus on your breathing. As thoughts or worries arise, allow yourself to acknowledge them. Just acknowledge them as thinking. And gently return to the breath. You might hear certain sounds as you meditate. Maybe people in your house or outside. Also just allowing yourself to notice those sounds. And do your best just to notice the sound itself. Just like with our thoughts, we're not going to attach to any one thing. And once the sound is gone or no longer keeping your attention, just coming back to the breath. And we're just gently repeating this process. Finding ourselves in our breathing. And letting go of thoughts as they arise. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for keeping up with the Just Meditate series. I hope it's going well for you. Let me know in the comments if you're having any particular problems or if you have any questions that I maybe haven't addressed or that you're just finding along your way of meditation. If you could give any of the videos a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you would consider subscribing or sharing with friends, that would also be a really big help. And that's it. So have a great day and thanks so much.